Hello everyone. I hope you are taking good care of yourself. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about fine motor skills and why are they important for a child's overall development. Fine motor skills are the ability to make movements using the small muscles in our hands. Kids rely on these skills to do their everyday tasks, whether in school or at home. It can be anything: holding a crayon or a pencil, drawing pictures, writing neatly, stacking blocks, tying shoelaces, using a spoon to eat, and so much more. I will be showing you a few simple activities in this video which will help you develop the fine motor skills of your child. So let's get into it. This is the sorting activity. You will require some colored stones for it. Ask them to sort the stones based on their color using their thumb and index finger and put them in separate bowls. This will improve their eye-hand coordination, grasp, and fine muscle control. It will help children to sit at one place and strengthen their thumb and index fingers, which in turn will help in pencil hold. In this activity, we will require blocks. Ask your child to pick up blocks and place them on the other, stacking them one upon the other. To increase the level of difficulty of this activity, ask your child to pick one block with the help of two blocks and then place on the other. This will require a lot of concentration and hand and eye coordination on their part, which in turn will help in fine motor development. This activity involves the use of these cute colorful pom-pom balls and pegs. Ask your child to press the peg, hold the pom-pom ball and release it in the bowl. It will help in the development of thumb and index finger muscles and also in fine motor control. In the sticking activity, we will stick these adorable star stickers on a paper. Ask your child to peel the paper from the star and stick it on the paper. The same color should be stuck together. Again, this will involve the use of fine muscles and hence their development. Apart from these activities, you can give these kind of soft smiley balls to your child which they can press with their fingers easily. Or you can give them old newspaper which they can crush into balls. Let them play with Play-Doh as much as possible. These things are helpful in the overall development of the muscles in the hands, which in turn helps in fine motor control. Please remember this: the better developed the fine motor skills of your child, the more equipped they are to handle themselves independently. That's all for today. If there's any particular topic on which you want me to make a video on, please let me know in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye and take care.